Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and I've got another project for you today. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free sewing and crafting patterns and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. If you're a cruiser, I've got you covered there too. Check out my cruising resources section. You'll find cruise tips, trip reports, port and ship-specific articles, and plenty of photos. Now let's get this project started. For this project, you'll need a piece of wax paper, at least the size of your template, some candies, of course, and then the template downloaded from debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description right below this video. You'll find I have two different templates. I have one that can be personalized with to and from, and the other one that's blank. I've printed some on pink, some on white. It's up to you what color you'd like to use. What we want to do first is go ahead and cut these hearts out. Whether you do the personalized ones or the blank ones, go ahead and cut them out. If you are going to personalize them, before you cut them might be a good time to go ahead and put the names on, or afterwards. You won't want to put the names on after we've put these together. So now might be a good time to do that. We also want to cut this into 4 pieces. So the wax paper into 4 pieces, the hearts out individually. All right, I have all the hearts cut out. I'm doing the personalized ones. If I was going to write names, remember I'm going to do that now before I sew them together. And then I've cut the wax paper into 4 pieces. So what I need to do is put these together. So I've experimented a few different ways, and I've found actually to have the wax paper on top to sew is better than to have it on the bottom. So if you're using the ones with the to and from, make sure it's on the back, after you've already put in the names, of course. Then we're going to take this to the machine, and we're going to start on one side, and we're going to stitch all the way around near the edge. We need to leave an opening, though, for the candies. All right, as you can see, I've gone ahead and stitched around it. I have a little space for the candies. I'm going to put those in just a minute, but first I want to cut off all this extra wax paper. All right, I've cut off all the extra. I need to open this little hole right here, and I'm going to stick my candies in there. And it's up to you about how full you want to fill it. I think that's good enough. Now I'm going to go back and stitch this closed. Now how cute are these? Little personalized individual candy Valentine pouches. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stop by the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find free patterns, supply lists, and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. See you next time with another project.